Okay, we're going to solve these two equations using the method of elimination. So let me just read out each equation for you. On the top we have 2x minus 4y equals negative 4. Down below 3x minus 2y equals negative 10. Let me just identify them. Equation 1 for the top one. And equation 2. Now we're going to eliminate, we're going to take the same variable, one variable, and eliminate the coefficients. So the variables y and y here have got different coefficients. We've got a negative 4 and a negative 2, so it's hard to eliminate them. They're different. The variable of x have different coefficients also. We've got a 2 there and a 3 there, so pretty hard to eliminate. The easiest way to do this would be to multiply this by 2. It becomes a 4y, and we subtract it from that 4y. That's the easiest way to do it. And you can also eliminate this way. That's kind of a little bit more tricky, but I'm going to show you how to do this method. So the way to eliminate the x's would be to multiply top and bottom by their opposite coefficient. So the coefficient of x here is 2, so I'll multiply the bottom one by 2. The coefficient of x here is 3, so I'll multiply the top one by 3. So that we have a common denominator of 6. We get two 6x's, they cancel, and so the x variable is eliminated. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to multiply the whole top one by 3 and the second equation by 2. Let's go ahead and do that. So 3 times 2, that's going to give us 6x minus 3 times 4 is 12y. Remember, it's negative, equals positive 3, negative 4. That's going to give us negative 12. That's our new equation 3 now. We'll call that 3. Let me just mark it up. Now let's multiply the bottom one, number 2, by 2 throughout. So 2 times 3 is 6x. See, they're both 6x's. They're going to be able to cancel very soon. 2 times negative 2, that's going to be negative 4y, equals 2 times negative 10, that's negative 20. That's our new equation number 4. Okay, all we need to do now is take equation 3 and take away equation 4. Subtract them. An easy way to do that, instead of going that minus that, that minus that, I'm just going to change the sign of the bottom ones and just add them together. It's an easy way. So change the sign, change that to a plus, change that to a plus. Now I'm just going to add them. 6x minus x, 0. We've eliminated the variable of x. That's the good news. Now 12 negative plus 4, that's going to give us 8 minus 8y, and that equals minus 12 plus 20. So 20, take away 12, that's going to give us 8. So dividing both sides by negative 8, divide by negative 8, that means we're going to have y by itself. Y equals negative into a positive is a negative, negative 1. So y equals negative 1. So we got the variable there. We eliminated the x's by making them both 6x, and we came up with the y now. Now that we have y, we just substitute into any one of these two guys so we can find x, so we can solve for x. So let's substitute this y equals negative 1 into equation 1. Let's put into 1. So I'm going to write out equation 1 here again. We're going to substitute y equals negative 1 right there for that there. We're going to be careful with the sign. That's a negative there too, by the way. So let me write out the top one again. Equation 1 is 2x minus 4y. 2x minus 4y. That's what we're going to substitute into, which equals negative 4. There's our equation 1 again. 2x minus 4y, negative 4, just checking. All right, let's substitute this guy right up there for the y. Y equals negative 1. We're going to put the negative 1 right here. Negative 1 equals negative 4. Bring this down, 2x minus 4 times negative 1. Notice we have a negative 4 times y. Y is a negative. That means we've got two negatives. That's going to turn into a positive, isn't it? So negative, negative, that's going to become a plus. This becomes a plus 4. Bring down the 2x. 2x plus 4 equals negative 4. 2x plus 4 equals negative 4. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Minus 4 on either side of the equals. Bring down the 2x. 2x equals, that becomes 0, that cancels. Minus 4 minus a further 4, that's going to give us a minus 8. Divide both sides by 2. Divide by 2. So x is going to give us a value of 2 into 8 equals negative 4. There we go. There's our second variable. We just solved it. We got x equals negative 4. So what do we have all together? Y equals negative 1 and x equals negative 4. Now all we have to do, if you want to check to see if you're correct, take these two guys, substitute them in each one of these two equations, and if you get your left-hand side equal the right-hand side, that further confirms that your answer is correct. Thanks for watching.